friend asked me how I create the pom-poms for my beanies. Well, I use this pom-pom maker that I bought from Walmart. So basically, these pom-pom makers have arms that spread out, and then you wind around the yarn in each of the arms. The more yarn you wind into the arms, the fluffier your pom-pom will be. Once you're done, you close the arms back into the circle, and then you cut the yarn through the middle. Then grab a long piece of yarn, make sure this is sturdy, and then insert it into the middle and tie it real tight. I do it several times just to be sure. Then open up the arms again because it's just easier to get out the pom-pom that way. And then you have your pom-pom. Of course, there's gonna be a longer yarn, so you just gotta trim this out. So yeah, these pom-pom makers have two sides which separate out. It took me a little bit of time to figure this out. So I hope this helps.